Books. It's October the 16th, a little update. I got a little stump, and now we have a little family of both the gnomes up here. So you got the baby gnome, mommy gnome, daddy gnome, and the granddad gnome up top here. So the tools around here. And see that we'll be decorating that later on. It's got a fence there. Tree is still alive here, so bees are still hard at work. See, I've changed the golf course. See, the mat there is just temporary. See, it looks very straightforward. Down the slope. I've made little borders with the grass cuttings here. So I'll let that dry. And next job, I'll be working on the hedges. Take down the scoreboard. Let the bird nest up there. And top of the birds. And you move around the washing line. See, I put seed now, plenty of seed in the birds to eat there. And the rockery, some bread there. So hopefully we'll get some videos, some birds another time. Grass is a little bit wet. See, the entire garden there. So we do work on this side of the garden. So there you go. Got my safety glasses on here as usual. And that's what I'll show you now. Right here. No. I'm glad even James is coming out to the garden. Oh, does he? So yeah, bye to the family. Bye.